How to fix Instagram not accessing photos and videos. Firstly, navigate to your Settings app and open it on your device. After opening Settings, scroll down and click on the option Apps. Once you're inside the app's interface, then search for Instagram app. You can click on the search icon at the top right corner and search for Instagram. At the top only, you will see the permission option. Go to Permission and select Photos and Videos. Make sure to select the option Always Allow. Also, make sure that options such as camera and microphone are in the allowed section. After checking this much, go back to your home page. Now give your device a quick restart. This can help with clearing temporary system glitches. Now go to App Store or Play Store and look for any kind of updates that may be available for Instagram. As you can see here, update is available, so I'm simply going to update. Also, clear Instagram cache. Go back and tap and hold on the Instagram app. After that, click on the eye icon to go to App Info. Under the section Usage, click on Storage. At the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. That's all for today. Thank you.